Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily record voice on Canva. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. So here's how you can easily record a voiceover in Canva. So just head over to canva.com and from here just click on create a design, and we're just going to use a video templates available in here. Say this, for example. From here, just click on share, then click on see all, then click on present and record. Next, just click on go to recording studio, click on your camera icon, and make sure that all the permission is allowed. Then from here, you can change your microphone device. Then once done, just click on start recording. So from there, you can now easily record a voiceover from your video. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!